Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Here's a new ghost train credit for me guys. Here we go. KLM 2023, no 2024 sorry. Second ghost train in a row too. I thought, I'm doing a ghost train challenge. There's 5 here this year. I'm going to try doing all 5. This is number 2 or 5. Oh, here we go guys. Let's get spooky. Whoa. Ooh. Outside now, that's cool. Why do I feel there's going to be a scare actor or something in here? Oh, I lost those trains. Oh, what happens there? Oh, we're going down a drop. Woo! Oh! Outside again. Oh no, here comes the drop. Oh, it's bigger than the last drop. Where are we going now? That's a good ghost train. Whoa. Oh no, that's weird, that's strength stuff. Oh, whoa. That was good guys, that was really good.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
To my channel and